Hello and welcome to this video. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Rupam and I'm here to give you a glimpse of a program that IGS Labs Bangalore is conducting in the month of July. So actually this particular program is based on Microsoft technology, that is a part of Microsoft technology, and based on people or target audience will be people who are into reporting and MIS and analytics. So definitely we are talking about a product called Microsoft Excel, and we will be having a live demonstration of Advanced Excel 2013, 2010 or 2013, it might be any one of these software. And we will have a 2 days classroom session in July on Saturdays and Sundays. And this particular session will be a complete hands-on session, and I will be the chief trainer of this particular training program. Thanks IGS Labs for giving me this opportunity to interact with all of you. And let me take you through this particular session, and just a glimpse of it I will be talking about right away. So before I talk about the program, let me tell you that I'm a Microsoft certified professional, and I'm into this training industry for past 12 years, and I have been doing a lot of training programs for a lot of like MNCs, multinational companies in India as well as abroad. So having said that, let me take you through a brief introduction about the program. So this program, we will assume that the participants who are enrolling for this particular program do have some knowledge about Microsoft Excel, the basic knowledge of Microsoft Excel, and we will take it as an advanced level of like your data analysis using Microsoft Excel. So when we talk about Excel, so we understand that people already are using Excel in their day-to-day work environment, and concepts like printing the workshop, opening and closing the workshop, worksheets and workbooks, and like using some regular frequently used functions will be a part of that particular thing, and printing worksheets and workbooks. So those things we assume that people already know. So taking from there, we will start how do we protect our worksheets, how do we audit formulas, how do we protect our formulas as well within a particular worksheet. So we will have complete hands-on activities for this particular topics that I am talking about right now. And starting from there, we will talk about some advanced functions in Excel. Those functions will be related to if conditional functions. We will be also talking about the lookup functions and some specialized functions on financial functions, then date functions, text functions. We'll see some very innovative ways of using text functions. So those things will be a part of this particular training. So when we talk about if conditions, if functions, we will be definitely giving you a glimpse, an idea of what is the if condition, how does if condition work. A very easy to understand way of looking into if functions and if conditions. And then we will definitely talk about the nested function, like using multiple if conditions within a particular program. And we will be having we will take a few steps, and we will definitely see how to simplify the if conditions and if functions and use logical operators for the same reason. Then what we will do, we will talk about the lookup functions, which is very important function set of functions. So lookup functions, we'll talk about vertical lookup and H lookup, and means horizontal lookup. How do they work? What are the parameters? What happens when you change those parameters? How we can actually write a VLOOKUP, which we can just copy and paste anywhere in the sheet and it will work. So those kind of very interesting stuff we will be taking as a part of lookup functions. Then how to find out missing data, how to trap errors in lookups, that will also be a part of this particular session. And one interesting thing, how to do reverse lookup. So if you have some data and you want to find out the main source of that particular data, how to do that using different other functions that we have, advanced functions that we have got in Excel. Not only the functions, not only the advanced functions, we will definitely talk about some of the like less known functions and see how we can utilize them for dynamic lists, making dynamic lists, and uh, doing some advanced conditional formatting as well. Our approach will be totally interactive manner in the sense that we would like to make Excel as a smart tool for doing our analysis work, our day-to-day work. So that will be the approach, and for that we will use a lot of data sets. And the data sets will in your data sets we will have also a part of big data, also a very small part of big data to play with. And we will be making pivot charts, pivot tables. We'll take a simple data like a huge database kind of thing, and we'll see instantly how we can convert that into pivot charts and pivot tables, and then eventually go in for a dashboard. So those all things we will see, we will study, and we will have hands-on activities. This will be a unique experience for like all of you who will attend this particular session. This will be in a classroom, and it will be addressed to mass, and I will be your chief trainer for these 2 days program. And so hope you will join this program, enjoy this 2 days session, and take as much as learning as you can. So one thing, like for enrolling for this particular program, you would have to take a pre-assessment so that we can see like how well we can fit you in this particular program. So having said that, I'll take a leave and say goodbye. So we'll meet you in that classroom session. Until then, goodbye. Thank you for watching this video.